Alright, what's up guys? Sabretooth here, and today we are going to do some Jaguar gameplay. Now, I haven't really done any Jaguar gameplay. I usually just, do PvPs with Jaguars. But today we are going to do, a survival guide and how to survive as a Jaguar, and plus some silly gameplay. I'm going to try to play realistic, and hopefully we can have some good hunts, good life. Alright, so okay, let's see where we are. Oxbow, worst place ever to be at. The AI I gotta use is pretty much the only thing I can hunt. But we're going to go ahead and talk about how to survive as a Jaguar. So basically, Jaguar is the most strongest animal in this game. Not really, but like I'm talking real life. I'm talking like in the jungle type shit. And well, it's pretty easy to survive as Jaguar. But there are some really fatal encounters that will not end up good. And, such as an anaconda, black caiman, other jaguars that are pretty much more skilled than you, and probably pumas. And here's how you could probably escape them or outwin them. Basically, when a jag approaches you, they would more likely be attacking you than befriending you. And so this is more of a PvP game and a survival game. It's kind of hard to defeat someone that's more skilled than you. I already hear stuff splashing around, so we can probably hunt. And because I'm 69 hunger, I'm going to close the chat because we don't need to see the chat, it's not important. Okay, and to survive as a Jaguar, you need a few things. Be skilled, be smart with your, interior intentions and stuff. If they see you as a threat, then the best thing you can do is fight back. Telling them to chill might work, but that's probably not the case you should do. To survive and hunt as a Jaguar, I'd recommend you not charge to your prey. I'd hide in some foliage and cover up to make yourself camouflage. Now, I would optionally hunt when it's nighttime, but the crouch color is transparent, meaning you'll have to hunt at daytime. But I'd go for like small rain, not a flood. It's nothing much. So let's see our diet here. Okay, so here's our diet. We pretty much eat anything, but our top favorite meal is capybara, deer, spectacle caiman, dwarf caiman, a gouty, and catfish. Catfish is not really an ideal meal, but like in the meantime, if there's no food, you can go in the water and try to catch some fish. I'd go to small ponds and stuff. But back to stalking and preying. Now, let's say a capybara, and capybaras are way much faster than you. And they are faster in swimming too. So I would recommend you just crouch, don't make any noise, don't roar, don't do anything, don't charge at them like dramatically. I would just crouch inside a bush and not waste my time, and when the perfect time comes, I would charge and grab them. That's like the only thing you do to catch prey if you're hungry. Now I'm going to go in the water, and I don't know it. Let's see. There is much people here, but I'm not sure if they're actually in game, so we're going to have to wait and see and survive as a jaguar. So you do not have water scent because you are not semi-aquatic. I'm sure you guys know that. I'm pretty sure you guys know that. But yeah, you can get fish in the water, not the small ones, not the flagtails or headstanders or anything. I would get the catfish. And I think I hear an otter calling. Yeah, and if you encounter a black caiman or an anaconda, and if you're not skilled or anything, then just run away. Just run away. If you get a green bar, I would not fight back. I would just run. That's all you can do. Caimans are pretty easy for a mini game. It's just a little bit faster, and maybe a tad bit harder, but overall, it's a pretty good combat between a jaguar and a black caiman. Usually, caimans would kill jaguars easily, especially the orichalcos, and I see a scent. Spectacle caiman, just what I wanted, just on my diet, ready to hunt whenever. So if I see it, and if it sees me, there's no point in crouching. My tactic really is just acting like I leave, and when it's at high advantage for me to actually kill it, I go for the kill. That's pretty much it. But in this case, I might have to go in for fish or agoutis. AI agoutis. Okie dokie. I mean, is there any fish in here? I don't, just be aware. Be aware. Being pretty cautious here. Make sure to stay near land, because if you're in the middle of the water, you're not escaping. Unless it moves you to the water or something, I don't know. I mean, shallow water or whatever. Nope, there are no catfish, and I'm not taking the risk to go to the other lake. Alright. AI agoutis. Is there someone in there? I don't know, because I don't want to take the risk and die like 10 minutes after. I don't know. What if that caiman was in ascend? Like, not gonna lie, if it ascended and became BC and went into the water, I might not go in the water because the freaking black caiman, not very skilled at killing black caimans. I don't really see anything like shimmering in water or swimming or anything. There might be an anaconda, but what are the chances? I do not care. I am 47 hunger, and I'm not risking just ending my life just because I died of hunger. There's gotta be some AI fish somewhere, bro. Like, come on. I mean, what are the odds? What are the odds? I mean, I can kill a caiman and get the meat from it, but like, what's no reason to kill a big ass caiman. I'm talking like, is that a school of catfish? There's barely any people, bruh. Do I have NPC fish on? Because if I don't, I'm probably gonna toggle that on, because I actually need it right now. Okay. Oh fucking shit. Run. Yo. Okay, bro. Okay, wait. Okay. Bro. Oh my god. I'm so scared right now. Oh dear god. Ah! Oh shit. It's a Mela. It's a mutation. It's a panther. It's a panther. No. Go away. Oh dear god. Leave me alone, bruh. Leave me alone. What have I done to you? What life? What do you want? Oh no. Oh no. Go away. Please. Don't. Don't. I want peace. Fucking run. Fucking run. I'm running. No. Oh my god, he's so close. What if I just... Oh shit. No! I'm one ace. Bro, come on. Oh, bro, come on. What? I'm speechless. I'm actually... What the fuck? Dude! It's always the Panthers. It's always the Panthers, I swear to God. Are we serious right now? Bro, what is wrong? Like, what did I ever do? Okay, guys, I'm raging. I'm crashing out. Why did I say that? Why? Just why? Like, come on, bruh. We cannot be serious. We cannot be serious. Like, no skill. Absolutely no skill. What's the point? No skill. At all. The lag, the everything. What? 58 minutes. Are we serious? What did I ever do to deserve that? Huh? Okay, guys, this is just a whole mistake, and I don't know if I will, like, survive on this game anymore, because I can't even kill one Jaguar without any flaws. Bye.